Hey guys, GMK and Burning Series here, and just in case this sound effect starts, you might see it, you might not. I don't care. I'm still doing it. So you may be wondering, why is the screen completely dark with nothing in the middle? Well, I'm using the design I'm using right now for Godzilla versus Tailszilla. And the reason why, I don't know why you can't really see anything. I can't really do anything to fix it. So yeah. Also, a new review coming on Saturday, and I ain't saying shit on what it is, but it is gonna be a horror movie, and I'm not doing Psycho 2 just yet. I'll hold off on it a little bit more, a little bit longer. I'll probably do it in the summer or something, but I just want to make a quick little video just in case if you can't really see whatever's in the middle of the screen. If you can see it or not, I don't care. I'm still doing this out of the way. So yeah, enjoy these fucking sound effects. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hashtag road to 280 subs.